Dr. Tyler here. I'm a chiropractor in Irvine, California. We got another video with Micah. His back is messed up and I've been treating him. This might be the fourth time, I think, and we're getting some progress. So I know some people like to see multiple treatments of the same person, so that's kind of what we're doing with him. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. It's pretty cool seeing like the progression and what we can do now and how he's feeling now and stuff like that. So hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe if you do. And I hope you have a great weekend. All right, we got Micah in the house. His low back is cooked.
Yeah.
As we would say, it's cooked. So describe it. Like it feels like...
No, it just feels tight. Like it doesn't want to crack. I'm trying to crack it, but it just doesn't want to.
Maybe it wants to. Maybe it's just mad at you.
Probably.
Maybe it just doesn't want you to crack it. It wants me to crack it.
Hopefully.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm hoping.
So students, we got anteriors, lower thoracic, big anteriors in like upper lumbars, and then posterior in the lower lumbars.
Yeah, dude, it's like in that area.
Yeah. So is it the anterior upper lumbar area that's the issue, or is it the posterior lower lumbars? Usually it's the posterior. But we'll adjust him, clean everything out, see what happens. Hug here. So he flies a lot. Lift your head up. Keep the chin down. I'm gonna pick you up. Don't help me at all. Let's get upper lumbars. Good. Lower thoracic. Good. Mid thoracic. Upper thoracic. Damn. That's crazy.
See, I can't do that.
Yeah. You never tried with like a foam roller?
I tried that.
Yeah.
What does it happen?
Yeah, you kind of have to just trust it.
I tried to.
Like a trust fall type of thing. Hips are pretty tight for sure. Right side's a little tighter. Good. Let's just open this guy up. Open up the hip a little bit on this side. Getting the TFL a little bit. My favorite. His favorite about to be. Yep. Okay. Bring the legs up. Hold this.
Hold it.
Yeah. Any pain in your back?
In my lower back, it just where that
Down.
part, it just feels like it needs to. But does it make sense?
Like there's a curve and it just needs to do this.
It needs to flatten.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
what it feels like.
So that means he's using his low back to do that motion. So it's bypassing his abs and it's going straight to his low back. That's not a strength thing. That's like that's a neurological pattern. Let's go over here. Let's just hang on here.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, right side looks a little kind of tilted back. Let's just open these up. Good. So we'll get into the glute here. We'll get both sides. That's gonna be tight though, for sure. What island? Oahu?
Yeah.
He's going to visit his grandma in Hawaii. That sounds awesome.
Trying to make the best out of it.
When's the wedding?
February 22nd.
So go see her before the wedding
Yeah.
because she can't make it.
Yeah.
That's nice. Good grandson.
She's getting old. She's like 93.
That's pretty old.
Yeah. So
My grandma's 82.
it's still young.
Yeah, she's still young.
Yeah.
She took a spill at church though.
What do you mean? She fell?
She fell.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, she like fell on her face, dude.
That's not good.
Yeah, she's good though.
That's good.
She's more concerned about her skin,
Yeah, but...
her face, the skin on her face.
Yeah.
Like, oh my gosh, like I hope this heals.
Yeah. Did she get messed up?
You know, all we got in the beginning was a picture.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, Mom, I am a little mad about that. My mom sent me a picture. Hey, we're going to the hospital. Grandma fell. I call her. She doesn't pick up. All I get is this picture of my grandma's face with blood all over it. And she's in like a neck brace. And I'm like, oh my gosh, where are you guys? What hospital? We want to come. No reply.
That's crazy.
So we're freaking out. And then my mom replies and says, no, she's just getting scans. They want to make sure there's no bleed in the brain, you know.
Yeah.
Ended up being good. So, yeah, we're thankful for that for sure.
At least she's good.
What does that feel like?
I mean, it feels good.
Sketchy?
No, it feels good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like there. I don't...
So we want to build some confidence in his low back in all different vectors. Does feel a little hesitant, a little scared to kind of like open up,
Yeah.
which is a sign that it's trying to protect something. So we kind of want to re-emphasize that it's okay to open it up. So we'll do some decent pressure in here while the table stretches him out.
When's the baby due?
The baby is
Yeah.
due in March,
Damn.
right after your wedding.
I want one so bad.
Oh, I love hearing dudes say that. It's like the best thing in the world.
Yeah. Next year, hopefully. Most definitely after the wedding.
Okay, so not on that note, but for the viewers, when I go side to side, I feel crunchies in his low back.
I can feel that too.
Yeah, so that's a sign of instability, actually. It means that your low back needs to be more stable.
I actually never felt that before.
So if we were to train anything at the gym, it would be exercises where the low back needs to be stable. Squats, deadlifts, planks, side planks, stuff like that, rather than, like crunches or, stuff like that. Yeah, that's very loose in there. Feel that?
Yeah, dude, I've never felt that.
Does it hurt at all when it does
It
that? or
doesn't
no?
hurt. It actually feels
Okay.
good, but then it just... I can feel it resisting, and it just popped too right now.
Yeah, I felt that one.
I don't know how it caught like that.
Well, it could just be that the ligaments around your spine they're a little bit more lax rather than taut.
Mm-hmm.
So as they kind of move over the bone, they're kind of snapping on the bone a little bit. Could totally be that, but that is a sign that those ligaments are a little bit less stable. So training them to be stable is going to be your best bet. A nice little neck stretch here.
Oh, fuck.
Oops.
Dang, dude, I need to take this table home.
Yeah, that would be nice, huh? So we're going to avoid this dip here. And we're going to address the sacrum. Try to push it down a little bit. So we're just re-emphasizing movement. Little scoop there. More there. Good. So I'm trying to figure out where I want to attack. I think we're going to do L1 on one of the sides. I'm not sure what segment I'm going to do on the left. So I'm going to get him in side posture, and then I'll figure that out. Lay on your right side, facing me.
I feel like this is gonna hurt.
You think it's going to hurt?
Feels like it.
Okay.
But it hurt.
So in that case, when you hear any hesitancy in the low back moving, we want to avoid rotation. So we're not going to adjust him for rotation, we're going to adjust him for lateral flexion. Okay. So we're going to go right on either L5 or S1, whatever that is. But we're going to hit it P to A. So we're going to go right on the back of the bone and try to hit it forward. I'm going to use right here. Just trying to work my way in here. Yeah, I think like right there. Let's get a good grip on it. Right there. Nice. And then this one's going to be L1. And again, we'll palpate inside posture, students. If it doesn't feel right, then you can always switch it up. Yeah, it's pretty locked up in there. So this is a pretty tough spot to get, so just bear with me. Bear with me while I set it up. Yeah, like right there. Nothing there. On your back, face up. Low back in that vector didn't move too well. Seems like could just be a little jammed. And just like when you crack your knuckles, you can do this a lot. Now we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the pull one. Let's strap him in a little bit. Get a little counter force. Good. So we made it to like right here last time?
Yeah.
In the low back? Okay.
Yeah. Got me good in the neck though, that one.
Yeah, usually it does. Lift your head up. Down. So kind of guide me through when you start to feel it get into your low back. And you might have to kind of help me out by just kind of sinking into the table, just kind of letting it happen.
I feel right there.
Right here.
Oh! Damn.
Down. Nice. Did it make it down?
Almost. If it went lower.
That's what we want. We want it lower.
Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah. So if it's compression related, which I think it is a little bit, he's had some issues with his body in his life. But we would really want to train counter rotation type stuff. So at the gym, a lot of like rotation type stuff.
Yeah.
And side planks, squatting's so good for your low back, especially for what you have. Because
But low weight though, I can't do heavyweight, huh? Because I feel like when I did that, it's pressing. Does that make sense? Like it feels like.
So when I help with the compression, that pressing part should be better.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, if you're gonna do low weight, I would still keep it at low reps.
Yeah.
But I want you at low reps either way.
Yeah. I tried to attempt those Zurich ones. I couldn't even bend my back that low to pick up the bar.
Okay. Yeah, maybe stay away from that. But even then, like a simple back squat, it in order to do it, you have to have stability in your low back.
Yeah.
So, and that's what we want to train.
Yeah.
But rotation wise, like,
Yeah,
stuff with like the cable and stuff like that,
like
that would be
Russian
really
twist
good.
and stuff.
Yeah, or just like with the cable. I don't know about Russian twist. It might actually hurt your back a little bit because it's kind of like,
I'm angling myself.
It's free weight kind of,
yeah.
Like cable, you can use your feet and kind of, it's more practical in my opinion. But yeah, okay, let's see how it goes. Coming up. And we're gonna keep working on him. So tune in for the next one. We'll see how he feels. Good job.
Thank you.
No problem. Hey everyone, if you made it this far, I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. If you can, like, subscribe, comment down below whatever you liked about the video or if you have any questions. And yeah, hope you have a great day.